Hey, how you doing? Austin here. So real quick, want to talk with you about crypto and the Russia-Ukraine war situation that has just obviously started in the last about 14 hours or so. Obviously, you have seen your crypto holdings, you've seen all the red, and I wanted to put a little bit of context around that and kind of show you and tell you what I'm seeing across the board. So if you are just looking at crypto, you might want to take a look as well as the stock market, and you're looking at the Dow Jones and the NASDAQ indexes. So the Dow has hit almost 800 negative, down 800, coming back a little bit up to 600, and the NASDAQ has been down almost over 400, close to 400, in the last, well, as of the market opening. And so what does this have to do with crypto? It has a lot to do with crypto because everything is connected, right? Crypto is connected to the stocks, etc. And I'm really talking about, the people behind it, if you will. Okay, so my point to you is this: not behind the actual NASDAQ and Dow. I'm talking about the people that are invested in stocks. I'm talking about the people that are invested in crypto. And what you see is an overall run out of those respective markets. You got people leaving, stock market. That's where the Dow, the NASDAQ being down appropriately. Those numbers I've already gave you. As far as on the crypto side, Ethereum down 8, 9, 10+%, Bitcoin down as well, and all other altcoins down associated with it. So where does that leave us? That leaves us with a massive reaction to this war situation. Everybody is digesting that news. Everybody's trying to understand the impact of it. What's going to transpire from here? What are the next steps? What are things that are going to happen? We're waiting on the Biden administration here in the United States to come out with what their official stance is going to be, their sanctions, next steps, etc. The world is watching to see what the U.S. is going to do. But I was spending a lot of time this morning reading and things of that nature. So some of the fallout's going to happen is going to be that global oil prices are already going up. The cost of oil barrel is over $100, which means what? The cost of gas is going to go up. Fuel is going to go up. All right. People are going to start continuing to feel the impact of this event. And it's going to continue to have ripple and ramification effects into crypto. So where I'm at, what I'm doing is I'm just holding pat and just kind of, I'm just kind of watching to see how everything plays. This could be the mother of all buying opportunities, of all dip opportunities. My advice to you would be, not investing advice, to kind of sit, wait, watch. This is the first day of I think an event that's going to happen for at least a month, if not longer. Now, are we going to be red every single day? Probably not. There will be days where we will move back into the green and things of that nature. But keep your eye on Bitcoin. Keep your eye on Ethereum. Keep your eye on your favorite altcoins, and continue to watch Bitcoin and Ethereum as bellwethers of what will or will not happen with the crypto market. And because they lead everything, right? They're 55, 60+% of the overall market cap is tied up in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So they are the two major coins to watch. So with all that said, where I'm at, what I am doing is, again, I am not selling, because when you sell, that's when you take a loss. When you sell, that's when you are losing money. If you are exiting a losing trade, if you will. Okay, I'm a long-term crypto investor, just like I'm a long-term stock investor. I'm staying in this for the long haul, and I'm also eyeing opportunities because I've had cash sitting out, kind of waiting to see how this all would play out. I'm eyeing opportunities to see what's going to happen in the next day or two and week, to see how this all plays out. And if we continue to see Bitcoin and Ethereum fall a little bit, might be greater buying opportunities. Again, not investing advice, right? Do what's right for you. So with that said, for those of you guys wondering where I'm at, I'm actually in Florida. My niece, my one and only niece, is getting married this weekend. So we drove down here, and that's where I'm at. So with all that, I will see you later. Take care. God bless, and go make some money. See you. Bye.